Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how to make iced carbonated strong coffee orange vanilla. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into this mug. From this mini metal bowl. Then after that, you open up the orange vanilla carbonated water and you pour it into this mug like halfway. And then, last but not least, you pour in the strong coffee into this mug from this coffee percolator. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced carbonated strong coffee orange vanilla. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching. Peace and cheers.